Let's look at an example of how in the Tatmeen module, the product obtained from the package is passed. On this interface, we see the area of products subject to passage. Consider the situation when the product is obtained from the package. On this column, we enter the information about the package. Next, the interface is loaded to work with the package. In this area, we select one of the appropriate options. It is possible to load the package hierarchy from the Excel file that we receive from the Tatmeen portal. It is also possible to pass the product from the package manually. Let's look at the second option. In this area, the information about the package hierarchy is displayed. In the additional columns, we see additional information about the package of the products. Here we see that the package is sent from this JLM to our JLM. Next, we come to this area to enter the product that we want to receive goods into inventory. The Enter product is displayed in the hierarchy. Next, we note that we want to select the product for receiving. We see in this column the information that the product is verified and available for the next process. It is received. Next is the unpacking of the product. We click on the Receive. We see the result that the goods have been received into inventory was successful. Next, we select the action to unpack. The process is completed successfully. In this example, we have considered the receiving of the product in the amount of one item with the following status. The product is verified, successfully received, successfully unpacked.